Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to read statements on your Charles Schwab account. So now let us talk about how to read Charles Schwab statement as a guide. So right here is their digital platform which allows you to check in their popular tools and features. So starting up with their portfolio checkup. So here's a clear version of it. So right here, this is their portfolio checkup. So there are amount or account summary on the first page, which includes this one right here, your asset allocation, your sector diversification, the equity concentration, fixed income, and your quality. And here are also some pie chart for that, and a summary, this one right here, a summary table for this one right here. So it's a holding of your portfolio. Next one is an all-in-one trade ticket. So let's open this one. So right here, there are a lot of going right here. So this is just a trade or all-in-one trade ticket. Yes, this one. So if you want, just pick your action. If you want to buy or sell, what quantity it is, what is the symbol, the strategy, and a lot more. Next is investment portfolio um, sector. So right here, it will determine your fund preference, risk profile, and initial investment. So let's check it right here. So you have like um an overview of the profile or investment section right here. Next one is research. So Charles Schwab also offered this one right here, which allows you to see like screens of other features of their research area. Next is fund transfer. So where is it? Here is you can set up your transfer, review, confirmation, and just to set up your transfer with other connections that you have. So you also have a bill pay right here. So take care of your bills with using Charles Schwab Bank. And then there's a lot more going on. So moving on with insights and education, you have right here a stop where you can see like an advertisement of their insights, and assistant where you can chat or like have a private talk with their customer or online customer service. And that's all on how to read or Charles Schwab statements with their features and tools.